Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of City. You know what time it is? It's cafecito time, so stick around for today's video reviewing a new Reviving Origins coffee. You don't want to miss out, and don't forget, I have a giveaway going on, so stick around. Hello friends, this is Veronica. Welcome to my channel, House of Sid, where I make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and everything from the wonderful world of coffee. And if you haven't seen my video last week, I went to visit a full standalone Nespresso boutique. I have my coffees here that I bought, and one of them is the Brazil. So review video of this one coming soon. But I'm still trying to get through the reviews of the Reviving Origins. So today we're going to review Reviving Origins Amaha Uganda for Vertuo. That's what the box looks like. And the Reviving Origins Uganda for original line. And that's what the box looks. That's what the box looks like. What's wrong with me today? So yeah, we're gonna review these for both machines, taste them, let you know what I think, let you know if I think they're good, which one tastes better, differences, all that fun stuff. So make sure you have subscribed to our channel, subscribe, hit the notification for our videos, which are Sundays and Wednesdays. And also if you subscribe, you'll get the community tab. I try to post some other fun things and coffee related posts there. But I just wanted to do really quick before I forget, I still have my summer giveaway going on. Remember I said I was giving away a Starbucks 50th anniversary hot cup. And that's what it looks like. And one of these cold cups. And this is, I actually put ice in my water today so you guys could see. This is what it looks like when you put cold items in it. It'll change colors like that. So it's pretty cute. And the straw changes color too. I actually really like it. So, if you want to win the hot cup, you just have to leave a comment for this video and all my other videos from last week and this week, and comment giveaway. Put your comment, and then in the comment, don't just comment giveaway hot, giveaway cold. Add your comment like you normally would, and then at the end or beginning of your comment, include giveaway hot if you want the hot cup, giveaway cold if you want the cold cup, and then I will be selecting randomly a winner and then adding some. Depending if you have an Nespresso Vertuo or original, I'll add some of my capsules. But the other day, really quick, I went to do a little shopping, and I went to the Starbucks I hadn't been to in a long time down in South Orange County. And they had these cups. I've never seen them before, so I don't know if they're new. I don't know if they're old, but I thought they were very, very nice, very cute. It has like a little, I don't know, I guess it's like a little leaf motif. I liked the colors, so I bought another one. So I said, you know what, this will be good. I'll do 3. So now it's 3 people will win. 2 of you will get hot. 1 of you will get cold. I haven't found any more of these, or they've been kind of sold out. So if I happen to find another one, maybe I'll add a 4th. But for now, 3 winners, 3 winners. 2 of you will get the hot cups. 1 of you will get the cold. And like I say, you just have to leave your comment, add to your comment, giveaway hot, giveaway cold, and I will randomly select a winner. So you have to watch all the videos, comment on all the videos in order to, have better chances of winning. So this is the 3rd Reviving Origins. After this, it will be the Congo. So after the Congo review video, I will select a winner. Okay, just a little fun summer giveaway, because summer's all about having fun, and you guys have been very supportive, leaving me comments, subscribing, watching my videos. So yay, thank you everyone. Okay, let's get into the review. Reviving Origins Uganda, not Congo. Uganda, we're reviewing Uganda. So I have my iPad today. For centuries, the altitude and fertile soils of Uganda made for exceptional coffee and rare sandalwood notes. Ooh, that's something I haven't seen in other coffees, or I've had coffees with sandalwood notes. So very interesting. It says, but until recently, it was a dying practice. Together with our partners, we started our long-term Reviving Origins program in 2018. Okay, so it's only been about 2, going on 3 years. Joining over 2,000 smallholder farmers to increase the quality and yield of their coffee. We work together to develop good farming practices that lead to great harvests and improved livelihoods. That's really great because I know some of these countries have had political issues, civil issues, wars, and just things that have affected them. So it's great that Nespresso's coming in and helping, and we get to enjoy these beautiful, wonderful coffees. The origin is a single origin coffee from the, okay, I'm going to butcher this, but I'm going to try, Rwenzori Mountains of Western region of Uganda. So this is from the mountains. Amaha Awe Uganda is roasted using the split roast technique, which I'm not familiar with, but that's another video. The first split is roasted to dark degree to enhance body complexity and to balance out the wild notes that come from the natural dry process. The second split is roasted more lightly, reaching a medium dark degree that allows us to explore the fruity aromatic profile of the beans. So does that mean they split the beans and roast half of them one way and then half the other way and then they combine them? If you know, let me know in the comments. I'd be interested in finding that out because, yeah, I'm a nerd. I like to not just read about the coffees, but I like to learn about the roasting, the growing, all that fun stuff. Aromatic profile, rich espresso carries an elegant floral profile underscored by aromatic and exquisitely uncommon notes of sandalwood, which I know sandalwood is used in candles and perfumes and stuff like that. So it'd be interesting to see how it tastes in the coffee. Try Amaha Awa Uganda with milk in a latte, macchiato recipe to reveal a balanced and sweet cup with a round body texture, biscuit, and discreet fruity notes. Very, very interesting. It is a 6 out of 13, so it's not too dark, but not too light. And both of these are espressos, except the Vertuo is a lungo, which is 5.07 ounces for Vertuo, and then espresso, regular good old espresso for this. Wait a minute. I think this one they might say do it as a ristretto. Okay, that's interesting. Vertuo is 6 out of 13, and original is an 8. I don't know if you guys could see that right there. 8 out of 13. So, that's going to be interesting. All right, enough chitty chatty here. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so, and the Vertuo is $1.30 a capsule, $13 for the box, woody, floral, and wild. Okay, that's what it looks like. Black with the writing on there. And let's open this one up. Remember, we got to open it through the middle because this is the fancy one, and I always mess it up. Oh well. You want perfection and elegance. This is not the channel. So that's what this one looks like. The same black with the name Uganda, but in an original capsule. Oh, we'll put that there. Brew. Okay, so now I'm wondering which one I should try first. Well, let's look at it. Obviously, Vertuo has a lot of crema. That is definitely more than 5 ounces. While coffee looks good, it's just the crema's pretty thick on that one. And you know what I do? I do smell like floral, woodsy smell for sure. Here is the espresso. Not as much crema. Okay. So let's try it. And they do recommend drinking it latte macchiato recipe, which they don't give you the recipe, but basically they recommend, you know, with milk or creamer or, you know, as a latte. Okay, these coffees definitely have a floral taste. I do taste the woodiness and floral notes in it, and not like in a bad way different, but it is different than I'm used to. A lot of like the chocolate, nutty, cereal coffees, those tend to be my favorite. So whenever anything's too floral, I didn't like it. Like last year, they came out with the Yemen. First taste, I did not like it. I literally thought it was like drinking coffee with perfume in it. That's what the floralness tasted like to me. But then you add some milk, and you know what? That makes a difference. Adding these coffees, definitely you need to add creamer. You need to add milk. And I recently bought this. I don't know if anyone's tried this before. It's the A2 Milk Company, and this milk is supposed to be easier to digest. It helps, you know, if you have issues with digestion, you can't really drink dairy. You might want to try this. I don't have those issues, but when I saw it, I said, that's interesting. And it's sweet cream, so it is a little sweet. Not too super sweet, because usually the flavored creamers have a lot of sugar and carbs. This one does not. So if you're interested, check it out. I think it's 1 gram of fat and 5 carbs, which is not low, but it's not as high as some of the other ones have, like 10, 15, 20 carbs. So not bad. It's milk, sugar, heavy cream, and natural flavors and sea salt. So pretty good. So I'm going to try it with this one. Let's try it here a little bit. Yeah. If you are interested in this coffee, the floral notes, woody floral notes might throw you off initially, but then you add a little milk, maybe a little sweet cream, and it really brings out a different flavor that I really liked. I didn't think I was going to like this one. I thought, I'm going to have to give Uganda a bad review, but no, I like it actually. I think definitely won't drink these black. I definitely need cream, maybe a little sugar, a little sweetness, maybe a little condensed milk might taste good, but overall, very delicious. I'm surprised at my palate of coffee, tasting coffee, because like I said, in the past, I would not like this. I would have tried it and been like, oh, no, I don't want it. Ew, 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 give it away, go away. But no, I like it. I'm learning. I think also reading about the coffees, learning the process, where it comes from, why some of them have floral, citrus, woody, nutty notes, chocolate notes, all that fun stuff. You guys should try this. I do recommend it. It might not be everyone's cup of coffee. It might not be everyone's taste, but I really think we need to give them a chance, try them out. The milk and the sweetness really, really enhances it and brings it out and is delicious. So this one, I think I'm going to like the espresso better for this one. I mean, this is also an espresso, the lungo, the Vertuo, but this one just hits better. I don't know. I can't really explain it, but out of these two, I'm enjoying the espresso just a little bit more. That's really good. Yeah, this is pretty good. I'm really enjoying this Sweet Creamer by A2 Milk Company. So if you see it, I highly recommend it. Try it. It's not too sweet. It'll be easy on your digestion. You know, as we get older, we need to look out for these things. But that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell, give us a thumbs up. And also, if you want to enter the giveaway, one more video that I need to make, and then I'm going to end the giveaway and select the winners. So make sure you leave your comment and add giveaway hot, giveaway cold. And now I'm going to have 3 winners. And I hope you're having a fabulous summer. Let me know what you think. Leave me your comments. And if also don't forget, follow me on Instagram if you want to see some other fun things. I went to a new cookie place that's been all the rage on Instagram, social media. So I had to go see what the hype was about. So I went to Crumble Cookies yesterday. Pretty good. So if you would like me to do a video on Crumble Cookies, yeah, I'll do it. Let me know. Okay, guys, talk to you soon.